Greetings to all. Hope you all have been revising the concept. So I am here with a new concept, that is complete detail of oxidation and reduction reaction. In this, we will learn about oxidation and reduction in terms of oxygen, hydrogen, and electronic concept of oxidation. First term is oxidation. The word oxidation consists of two words, that are oxygen plus addition. Means oxidation reactions are those reactions which are taking place by addition of oxygen. For example, in burning of methane or any other fuel, when we burn fuel in presence of oxygen, it releases carbon dioxide along with water. Here, in carbon, addition of oxygen will take place, therefore, it is an example of oxidation. In another example, that is rusting of iron. In rusting of iron, addition of oxygen will take place. Next term is reduction. Reduction means removal of oxygen. It is just opposite of the oxidation reaction or the process of oxidation. In reduction, if any substance that remove oxygen means undergoes reduction reaction. For example, iron oxide when react with carbon, it forms iron along with carbon dioxide. In this, iron oxide undergoes removal of oxygen, so this is the example of reduction. Also, in this example, as carbon undergoes addition of oxygen, so it is oxidation. Next is oxidation and reduction in terms of electron or movement of the electron when there is no oxygen is present in the compound or in the element. Oxidation means loss of one or more electrons from a element or from an atom. For example, any metals such as sodium or potassium, they have extra electron in their valence shell, therefore they can easily lose their valence electron or undergo oxidation reaction. And reduction is the process of gaining one or more electrons, such as oxygen or chlorine. They can gain extra electron in their valence shell so that they can complete their octet. In terms of transfer of electrons, oxidation reaction and reduction reactions are always occur together. If one atom or one molecule undergoes loss of electron or undergoes oxidation reaction, simultaneously other atom or other molecule gain that electrons, means that undergoes reduction reaction. And the reactions in which both oxidation as well as reduction taking place simultaneously are known as redox reaction. In our daily life, most of reactions are redox reaction. In redox reaction, it is always involve changes in charge or changes in oxidation number. For example, when sodium reacts with chlorine gas, it undergoes loss of the electron. When sodium loses one electron, it undergoes oxidation reaction and its oxidation number increases from 0 to +1. It is an example of oxidation. At the same time, chlorine undergoes reduction or it gains one extra electron and its oxidation number decreases from 0 to -1, and this is reduction reaction, as in this reaction both oxidation and reduction will occur simultaneously, therefore it is a redox reaction. You can easily remember the word oxidation and reduction by Leo. The Loyens says jar. Leo means loss of electrons, oxidation, and jar. Jar means gain of electrons, that is reduction. These words help you in remembering the term oxidation and reduction in terms of electrons.